Mk1 Performance Protective Eyewear comes in 4 colors: gray, green, black, and tan, and with 4 lens options: clear, tinted, laser dazzle, and high contrast. There are also foam lens inserts available that you can use when you need more protection from dust, wind, and things like that. What I'm going to show you how to do is replace the lenses in the Mk1 Performance Protective Eyewear. So the first thing you want to do is grab the glasses, and you're going to hold them firmly and then press in the corner of the lens with your thumb to pop the lens out. And you'll repeat that on both sides. Pop both lenses out. Then you're just going to take the lens you want to insert. Start with the far corner and snap them in. Just like that, and you're all set. Now to install the foam insert, all you're going to do is take the lens out, and then to take the insert out, you're just going to push it in from both sides until the standard insert falls out. Then you're going to install your other insert by pushing it in from the inside. Until it's into position. Then all you have to do is reinstall your lens. And you're all set.